Today we are going to heal the wounds left from a previous amateur headstock repair. First, we remove the tuning machines and bushings and clean up the wound with some super sharp scalpels. This is where precision matters. Then we get tired of accents and fill in the damage area with wood filler, getting it into every nook and cranny and shaping it to the contours of the neck. After we let that dry, we remove the nut with a whack from a woodblock, and then sand down the entire headstock so that everything is smooth and even. After applying some Danish oil, we replace the tuners, using some masking tape as a straight edge to keep everything lined up. Only a scar. Groovy. If only I could find a donor for a saddle to complete my creation. Maybe someone less than willing. Well, a little touch up to the paint, and then we just have to measure the saddle slot. Might not be too hard to find a donor after all.